Series of meetings have taken place at 10 Janpath. In fact, they continue to take place, is what we're hearing. Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah this morning met the Home Minister, UPA Chairperson Sonia Gandhi, and of course Defence Minister, and also discussed the Kashmir crisis. Sources say they have discussed the issue of withdrawing the army from the valley as soon as possible. Let's listen into what Omar said earlier.
The Home Minister and I had an extensive discussion about the recent developments in Jammu and Kashmir, particularly on the law and order front. Discussed with him some of the requirements vis-a-vis equipping the state police as well as the paramilitary forces with better non-lethal equipment and techniques for crowd control. The army is part of the state's counter-insurgency grid. The army is also a part of the necessary deployments along the line of control and the border. Beyond that, there is no other role for the army. The efforts that have been made up until now, there have been no casualties since last Tuesday.